Hey and welcome to Alpha One. So I have now just had a live stream once again trading binary option, and yes, we did good today also. Did not take so many trades, but I will show you the trades and how we are trading and profit and all this good stuff. But before I do so, if you did lose my live stream, probably you have not subscribed, so make sure you subscribe. Of course, help me out, like this video. And also, it's not enough by just subscribing. Make sure you turn the bell notification, because then you never lose a live stream from me again, okay? Also, when you first come in my live stream, it's much more fun to follow if you at least open a demo account. You find a link below the video to this broker, and you can open a demo account at least. And if you see that you can follow, or if you want to put in some real money, make sure you use the promo code so you get 200% on your first deposit. Okay, now let's take a look at how I'm trading so you can follow. Like for example, here you can see on Solana we are trading here. You see that we are trading this green line here. See, that means every time this bar you see here now come down to this green line, we take a 30-second close, and I'm trading $100, and I push up if this bar comes down here. And then basically you don't need to wait till I push, you wait till your bar come down. And if anything changes, I will tell it while we are trading, okay? So that's basically how. And in the top, you see, for example, up here, what I will do down here, I will take it a line here. As I've been away for a little while, this line, I will make it blue. When this bar come up and we get one test, and if I see one bar get a test that looks something like this one's here, then I will activate this one for a red one. That means on the next bar, when you come up here, I will then push down. That is basically how we are trading. It's super simple to follow, and everyone is making money. Today, I did see was at least 4 people trading together with me, and all of them make money today. And if one of you are seeing this video, just put in the comment below and tell me the win rate you had, just so people can understand how good you're doing, okay? Now, let's go to my trades. Like I said, I did not take too many trades today. I did just take 3. Some of the ones that will follow me, they were a little faster on the trigger, so they got in a few more trades. I got in 3 trades on today, but all are winners. That means I made a profit of $294. Now, that is not everything I get, because every time I take a trade, I get some cash back up here. So you can see it says $12 here now. This will be added to this account. I talked about them if I want to open one more, because you can have many real accounts, right? So I'm thinking about starting with $100. If you want me to start with a small account and show how to build it up, and best of all, I will do everything live, okay? If you want me to do that, make a comment below in the video and I will do so, okay? Then I will move some of this money or deposit new money here. Probably I will just move $100 from here and put it here. So now let's move this cash back. I'll just push it, and this will be added to this balance. So let's see here now. See here? Now it was added to our balance. That means we made a total profit today of $306. That is good in my book. I will trade live again tomorrow. I don't think I will trade a full hour tomorrow, because I do have a long trip in front of me tomorrow. So, and that means I will not be trading live in Friday. Monday I will be back to normal, okay? So with that, have an amazing day, and I hope I'll see you tomorrow.